Strategies for supporting English language learners in content areas. Strategy 2. Differentiation. Welcome to this short video on how to effectively differentiate instruction for English language learners in your classroom. Differentiation ensures that all students can succeed regardless of their language proficiency. Let's start by understanding why differentiation is crucial for ELs. Benefits of differentiation. Accommodate language levels. ELs come with various language proficiency levels. Differentiation allows you to tailor instruction of their specific needs. Foster inclusivity. It promotes an inclusive classroom environment where ELs feel valued and part of their learning community. Support language development. Differentiation strategies help ELs acquire academic language skills necessary for success in all subjects. Strategies for differentiation. Tiered assignments. Create tasks at different levels of complexity, allowing students to choose based on their readiness. Language scaffolding. Provide support tools such as sentence frames, graphic organizers, and vocabulary lists to aid comprehension. Small group instruction. Provide personalized attention, tailored instruction, and the ability to address individual students' strengths and weaknesses more effectively, fostering a more inclusive and engaging learning environment. Leveraging AI for differentiation. Adaptive learning platforms. AI-powered platforms can access each student's language proficiency and learning style. They can then provide personalized lessons and resources to meet their specific needs. Language translation and support. AI can provide instant translation tools and language support, making content more accessible to ELs. Text Leveler Tool. This is a valuable resource for evaluating and adjusting text to meet specific readability requirements and ensure that written materials are accessible and engaging for their intended audience. Examples in action. In a literature class, you can use tiered assignments. ELs can choose to analyze a short poem or create a visual representation of a scene from the book, depending on their language proficiency. In a social studies class, provide language scaffolding by offering sentence frames and vocabulary support for ELs as they discuss historical events. In a science class, use small group instruction to clarify scientific concepts and encourage ELs to ask questions freely. In a math class, use scaffolded instruction, vocabulary lists, graphic organizers, small group instructions, and also visual resources. In conclusion, differentiation is a powerful tool to support English language learners in your classroom. By implementing these strategies, you can create an inclusive and enriching learning experience for all your students. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your journey to support ELs in your classroom.